Hi, boys and girls. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and a very happy Easter. We are going to get started this week by learning 3 new itchy letters, okay? I know you can do it because I've seen you work so very hard in the classroom, okay? So, I have my Itchy's flip book, okay? Does anybody take a guess at what letter this might be? Okay, it is the letter N, and it is needle with a thread. So I'll go ahead and flip it over so that you can see that it matches up. Okay, so N is a needle and thread, and it makes an N sound. Okay, all right, so we're going to start first with our rainbow tracing. Okay, parents, if you were not able to pick up the pre-K packets last week, that is okay. All you really need to do for this is just write the letter N really big on a piece of paper, and then they can still do the rainbow tracing, okay? All right, so rainbow tracing is where we trace it, okay? Remember, we're not coloring it. We're tracing it over so that we know how to write the letter, okay? So this arrow right here is where you're going to start, okay? So I'm going to take my crayon, I'm going to go down, okay? Then there's another arrow right here that says point back up. Okay, so then I'm going to go back up, hold my paper, and then I'm going to go around to the other side. Okay, all right, now I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to go down, back up, and around. Okay, let's do one more color. All right, down, oops, back up, and around. Okay. All right, now we are going to move on to our practice page. Okay, remember we trace the letters first and then we make our own in this space right here. Okay, all right, so going to go down and over, down, back over. Okay, now also remember, I don't know if you can see it very well, there's a little dotted line right here. Okay, and then there's the solid line at the bottom. Your N needs to stay in between those two lines, okay? So I'm going to do a couple more. Notice I never pick my pencil up. It's one motion, okay? Then I'm going to come down here, in between the two lines, down and over, down and over, down and over, okay? Good job. All right, so now we're ready to do the letter sound practice page. Okay, so if you have your sheet with you, you can follow along. Otherwise, I will say the picture out loud and we'll do it together. Okay, so this picture right here, I know you can't see it very well, is a nurse. Nurse. Does it start with the letter sound N? Yes, so we circle it. Okay. What about newspaper? Newspaper. Does that start with the N? Yes. All right. What about necklace? Does it start with the N sound? Necklace? Yes. So we circle. What about corn? Does corn start with the N sound? No, so we leave it blank. Okay. What about vase? Vase. Does that sound like the N sound? No. Helicopter. No. Okay. Nest. Nest. Does that sound the same? Yes. 9. 9. Does that start with the N sound? 9. Yes. And numbers. Numbers. Does that start with the N sound? Yes, so we circle it. All right, good job. Now you can give yourself a kiss on the brain.